In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use and integrate Trello with HubSpot step by step. If you're managing projects in Trello and tracking leads or customers in HubSpot, connecting these two tools can save you a huge amount of time and keep your sales and project workflows perfectly aligned. By the end of this video, you'll have the HubSpot integration added to your Trello board and ready to use. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. This will take you to the Trello homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your account details. Make sure you're logging into the workspace where you want to connect HubSpot, especially if you manage multiple teams or boards. Once you're inside Trello, the next step is to click on the board you want to edit. This should be the specific board where you want HubSpot data or integration features to appear. For example, this could be your sales pipeline board, your marketing workflow board, or a client onboarding board. After opening the correct board, confirm that you're on the main board view. You should see your lists and cards displayed across the screen. This is where your tasks and workflows live, and this is also where the HubSpot Power-Up will be added. Now, look toward the top right area of your board and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding integrations and extra features to your board. This is where you can connect third-party tools like HubSpot, Slack, Google Drive, and many others. When the Power-Ups panel opens, click on Add Power-Ups. This will take you to the Power-Up directory where you can search for the integration you need. Next, locate the search box inside the Power-Ups directory. Click inside the text box and type HubSpot Integration. As you type, Trello will start showing relevant results. Look for the official HubSpot Integration Power-Up in the list. Once you see HubSpot Integration, click on it to open the details page. Here you can review what the integration does, such as connecting contacts, companies, and deals from HubSpot directly to your Trello cards. This makes it much easier to align your CRM data with your project management workflow. Now click on Add to begin adding the HubSpot Power-Up to your board. Trello may ask you to confirm your selection. After that, click on Add again to enable the Power-Up for this specific board. This second confirmation ensures the integration is activated and available for use. Once the integration has been successfully added, you can close the Power-Ups panel. You'll now have HubSpot connected to your Trello board. From here, you can start linking HubSpot records to Trello POMs, allowing your team to see CRM details directly within your project tasks. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to log into your HubSpot account and authorize the connection. If so, simply sign in, review the requested permissions carefully, and approve access. This allows Trello and HubSpot to securely share the necessary information. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Trello with HubSpot. Now your project management and CRM systems can work together, helping you reduce manual updates, improve visibility across teams, and streamline your overall workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.